Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell OptiPlex machine. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB DDR4 SODIMM memory module, designed for a range of OptiPlex models including the 3080 Micro, 3280 AIO, 5080 Micro and Mount, 5090 Micro, 5480 and 5490 AIOs, and even the 7090 Ultra. If you're noticing your OptiPlex is struggling with multitasking, running demanding applications, or just generally feeling sluggish, a RAM upgrade is often the most cost-effective solution. This ATEC module boasts a capacity of 32 gigabytes, which is a significant jump for many users and provides ample headroom for even the most intensive workloads. The module operates at a speed of 3,200 MHz, adhering to the PC4-25600 standard. It's a DDR4 SODIMM, meaning it's the smaller form factor designed for laptops and all-in-one computers, making it a perfect fit for the OptiPlex models listed. It's also non-ECC unbuffered memory, running at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V, ensuring compatibility and power efficiency. One of the best things about this upgrade is its simplicity. ATEC emphasizes a quick and easy installation process, something that can be done at home without requiring any specialized expertise. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on seating the memory and understanding channel configurations. ATEC also stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. They also have a tech team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. In short, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 SODIMM is a solid choice for upgrading the RAM in compatible Dell OptiPlex systems. It offers a substantial performance boost, is easy to install, and is backed by a reliable warranty. If you're looking to improve the responsiveness and overall performance of your OptiPlex, this memory module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.